A dream for life exists in drops. A pursuit for dream exists in heart. For yourself, for your family, for the beautiful future. Bst Plumbing Inc. Established in 2004, Bst Plumbing Inc. is located in Torch High-Tech Industrial Development Zone of Zhongshan City, which is the hometown of Sun Yat-sen. Bst is the professional water-saving technological enterprise that integrates frontier research of water saving, analysis of fluid mechanics, development and design of mold, production, manufacture, sale, and service. Now, Bst owns 2 factories in Zhongshan and Chaozhou, with a total area over 30,000 square meters and nearly 300 workers in all. There are more than 40 sets of heavy and light-type full automatic injection molding machines, precision mold processing workshop, as well as automated component assembling equipment. At present, the monthly production capacity of water-saving tanks has achieved 100,000 sets, while the supplyability of toilet cistern accessories has exceeded 350,000 pieces in each month. And on average 5 seconds, 1 set of water-saving products will be sold. Because of that, more than 1 million tons of water can be economized every month. Bst recruits many top research and development engineers in this field to build a leading elite team of sanitary ware. We have been focusing on water-saving research for more than a decade and gained tens of national invention and utility models patents. In the meantime, we established Bst Multifunctional Laboratory according to the national approved laboratory standards and introduced many advanced inspection equipment, such as image measurement instrument, salt spray testing, rubber extension testing, aging testing, and so on. In order to guarantee the stability of product quality, Bst execute whole process quality management and has passed ISO 9001 Quality System Certificate. Furthermore, we bring ERP system to realize the sharing and optimal distribution of resources. It helps us to integrate the quality management system from hardware and software at the same time. Bst strictly require that every product is far more than national standards, so we continuously repeat many inspections to ensure the excellent product quality, including product life cycle test, anti-corrosion test, hydraulic pressure test, and water-saving function test. We insist on tracing management in a whole process containing optimization of product design, quality inspection of raw materials, production management, delivery inspection, and after-sales service to guarantee product quality in all aspects. Depending on modernized management methods and large-scale production advantage, Bst now is supplying personalized products with reasonable structure, innovative design, and high quality for more than 300 companies and tens of millions of customers all over the world. The Fill Valve Series, Flush Valve Series, Toilet Water Tank Series, and other sanitary accessory products provide professional and perfect project supporting services to hotels, commercial real estate, residences, and public organization institutions. In addition, our products have passed Chinese Water Conservation Certification and many international certifications, including USA and Canada CUPC, UK RAS, Australia Watermark, and European Union CE, which are accepted by authorities in domestic and abroad. Adhering to the win-win concept with customers, BST has obtained more and more clients' trust and approval, relying on a favorable public reputation. Our sales service network has been expanded to more than 20 countries and regions, just like Europe, America, the Middle East, Australia, and Southeast Asia, offering customers with timely service and convenient experiences. To save more precious water source, BST continuously devoted to research on environmental-friendly water conservation. With unceasing innovative passion, BST will always focus on creating comfortable life experience, unique sanitary culture, and contribute to humans' healthy life. From detail to whole, China to the world, and technology to humanity. For the common earth of humankind, BST firmly believes that green technology will make the future more beautiful. Best water-saving technology. BST.